In 2025, staying ahead in search demands AI-powered predictive keyword research to identify high-intent keywords. To optimize for AI-driven search engines, create context-rich content that answers specific user queries effectively. Interactive content like quizzes and polls will boost engagement and improve search rankings in 2025. Programmatic advertising is a game changer, using AI to automate ad buying and precision targeting. Multimodal search combines text, voice, and image queries and requires strategic optimization for success. AI assists in generating personalized dynamic ad copy and landing pages tailored to user intent and behavior. Zero-click searches deliver answers straight from search results. Structuring content to be concise is key. Uniting SEO and paid ads into an omni-channel strategy maximizes ROI with targeted campaigns. AI-powered retargeting ensures ads reach users at the perfect time, enhancing conversion rates. Leverage analytics tools like Google Analytics 5 to delve into advanced insights on SEO and ad performance.